Hi, I'm on my way to pick up a smart car that's been standing for at least 3 years. I'm joined by the Safari expert who's going to help with the filming and picking up the car. Wait, sorry, we already picked it up. We're taking it home now to see if we can get it running. Awesome car. This 2008 Smart 4.2 Passion Cabriolet has stood outside with a partly open roof after a local workshop couldn't fix it. The owner sadly passed away a few years ago, after which the family used it for a while before it started giving minor issues.
How's it look?
It's like a dirt tube. The trick is going to be to get it into neutral without any power, because it's been standing for 2.5 years. And you need ignition on in order to get the electronic gearbox into neutral. So
this, you notice key is still in the part, right? But you can still
So this actually worked after it came back from the mechanics, or not? Or the battery was flat?
Yes, it worked for a bit, but then the battery went flat again. Yeah.
So now the battery will obviously be completely dead.
Flat. No, there's nothing. Oops.
I think the battery's under here.
It's the engine that's at the back.
Everything's in the wrong place. Oh, there's the battery.
Look, if you like weird cars, this is a...
Yeah, this is one of the weirdest. Okay, I'm gonna hook up a battery to that and then see if we can get the ignition. I've got one.
A lot of people like Jimneys, but I have driven that thing a bit and I'm not that big a fan.
I know, Ophelia I think has the same opinion.
Yeah, and then when it's like a little bit windy, the thing starts shaking because it's so square.
It's not a comfortable car.
And on dirt roads
I
it's
also
quite
feel
bumpy.
a little bit squashed.
Yeah, it's cute, but it's not comfortable.
I think a lot of people buy it and then sell it quickly because they just feel it's a terrible little... It's alive. Okay,
We're gonna try it.
let's see. Oh, that would be nice. But if I can get it into neutral, we'll get it on the trailer.
No, yeah, it'll be light. Once it's in neutral, it'll be easy. If the wheel turns, actually. But
Yeah. This key is, do you have to press it in to turn it, or?
well, you sort of do that thing, but that was one of the issues, and I think that's why it broke. Yeah.
Oh no.
What seems to be the issue with the key?
Yeah, it's not going into. This is obviously also flat.
Yeah, I mentioned it's flat.
Because maybe there's a immobilizer thing that prevents this from turning.
No, but you normally can override it just by manual, and then maybe it beeps a bit. But
Yeah. It looks like it's.
there's power, right? Yeah.
Yeah, there's.
Not sure.
If the cameraman's doing the work, then okay, so the cameraman just fixed it. He managed to turn the key. How did you do it?
Just elbow grease.
Elbow grease. Okay, let's see. There's power. Now. It's gone. Power is gone. Oh! What? Ha! It's alive. Oh, there we go. How did that happen? It's in neutral. I hope. Stop it. So the handbrake is working. Let's see. Oh yes, it's gonna move. Okay, tripod I think. After standing so long, just to make sure there's no...
Well, you're the grease and gravel guy.
In the next few videos we'll give it a clean, get it running, and hopefully sort out the paperwork that's been stuck for 3 years. That's it, we can get it on this trailer.
Look at the footmark.
Woohoo! This ramp is going to be amazing to drive up.
It doesn't go lower, hey?
I think we'll have to lift the front.
Francois, what's the plan?
we're gonna see if we can start it and drive it up. That's first prize. Otherwise, yeah, let's see. Okay, so plan B, push it. Okay. Crawl underneath while it's okay.
Thanks, no, I wasn't planning to. Don't worry.
Okay. Let's try.
Joel, I can help as well.
Yeah, I'm holding it like this for now, and then I'll do it a bit higher when she gets closer. If you can't help,
Yeah, I'm gonna come help. Okay, cool.
just hold it in position for now. Then when they're closer, no, don't lift it. We're lifting it when they're closer, just to save our power. We're going to do it higher just now.
Okay, so we're just gonna go for it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
Jos gaan met opstoot want just don't get your fingers.
Yeah. You can just let go once the car's on.
Yes.
Everything. Yeah. Okay, let's go up.
Almost.
Okay.
Do it again, but with more momentum. I
From-
think we can do it.
Okay, now you don't have to hold it.
No.
The car's holding it now.
I think we can do it. We just need more momentum.
because the other option was
close,
to
eh?
pull it up.
Almost.
But the thing is,
Francois, we'll just do it from a little bit further.
you need to get past.
Ons is amper daar, so so amper
Yeah,
daar.
let's push it back. We just need to go from a little bit
Okay.
further.
Almost there. Now it'll just slam down.
Yeah, so you can just
Okay, we just
stand
stand
back now
back.
because it's going to fall back.
Okay.
Um,
Sorry.
Okay, yeah, let's do it. So just
Let me help.
Yeah.
Just hit it a little bit higher up. I just deep off the balance.
Okay, full speed. Okay, you can drop it. Ah, perfect, perfect. Yeah, well done. Nice, well done.
That wasn't so hard.
That was nice.
What do you think, Francois?
That was fun.
Heavier than you thought?
Yeah.
Nice.
This was actually the dodgiest strap work I've ever done. It actually came loose on our way home. Luckily, I also attached a chain, which you'll see in a moment. From the front, but now I'm not sure if I have anything to tie a chain to. Gate, they're gonna think I stole it. Ciao! Dis ek hoop hy gaan afval nie. Ek gaan 'n bietjie afdruk.
Okay.
Nou weer vorentoe. Nou weer afdruk. Bietjie afdruk. Nog 'n bietjie. There we go.
Allee.
Right. Yes, let's go.
Okay. Slowly does it. It didn't look like anything got damaged.
So I think the wheels are right at the front. No, it's fine. Wait. So it only took us 2 hours to load it and get it back home and safely off the trailer. Let me know in the comments what you think of the smart car and stay tuned to see if we can get it running in the next few videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.